waiting for Nana in the CR. That's Kuya right there with the red shoes. Lisa, his girlfriend. Sorry. We just went back in, and then we're going up here now.
Meron pala eh.
Ano, nakapantalon tayo ah.
Wow, mirror deck.
Wait lang, isa pa.
Wow, 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 wow.
Muna. 1, 2, 3, go. Kaliwa. Sabay-sabay. Wait lang. Stop. 1, 2, 3, go.
So beautiful.
String yun yung bungee jump.
Oh, may bungee jump nga. Iron's left. We're gonna go to the next tourist spot. Let's go. Mag-wish kami dito. Right here. Alright. We're here now. We're gonna see how it looks like. Wow! Wow! Whoa!
15 to 20 minutes lang po sa last. Kami yun sa baba. Ay, daddy, hindi ko nakakaya.
Wow!
Ilan po, diretso lang po sa dulo. Yan po sa tabi.
May umatot ata or ano? Umatot ka ba?
Hindi nga, kaya nga kami.
Ganun yung hangin
Ngayon,
Ay, di. May umatot doon.
May lumot.
100 pesos lang daw to, guys. 100 pesos at the time of recording, 2025, December 26. 26. 6, 7. Wow. Parang may Atlantis to, no? Atlantis pero nasa land. So cute. She hasn't let go. Say you won't let go. Wow. We're here at the end. She is scared shitless. Look at the view, look at the view. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna get back now. We just went in the maze. Here we go. Alright. Dapat, you just keep going, bro. Ito, andito yan. Oh, andito. See. Woo! Eh? Whoa, jellyfish. Oopsies. Walking into the next room.
Kapag mag-film ka ng ganito, landscape.
Kaya nga, let's skip to. Ay, parang bata ang Wow! Ito maganda to. Wow! No way! Yun na yun guys. Ito na yung last room. Wala na. Alright, let's say we're gonna go back to the car.
You walking on so gay.
Anong gay? Sige nga. Ikaw nga. Gali. Parang lalaki lang naman eh. Ay, we are back in the car. Brown car. Bye-bye. Okay, vlog not done. We're in SM Batangas. Alright, maybe we're gonna go watch a movie. We'll see. She just tasted this and she did the Joker face. So you record me. It's good. Alright, we're going in. Shake, rattle, and roll.
Treat yourself. Discover over 100 coupons or whatever you do.
First,
Super swipe.
second horror movie ever. Ang dami pa ng tao dito. Okay, seated na kami.
Tama na muna yung laro.
We'll see you after the movie. Post movie, what do you think?
So confused.
It's okay. My favorite part was 2025.
I like the apocalypse part because it's not that scary.
Hey, bye-bye. We'll see you in the car. Nanay. Then the car there. Ay, yan ba yan? Oo. Ay, hindi. Ito. Yan.